In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to deposit money into your OneXBet account. It's very easy. So before we continue, I would advise you create a professional OneXBet account, and to do that, you click on register. Click on full. In this next section, you input all your necessary details correctly. And then on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After putting the promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. Then you click on these three boxes, and then you register. Okay, guys, back to our video. So now to deposit money into your OneXBet account, you click on the menu button. After clicking on the menu button, you will see the big green deposit button. You click on it. And on this next section, after it's done loading, you will find out that we have different methods to deposit money into your OneXBet account. So you scroll down to the one you prefer to use. There's e-money, there is cryptocurrency, there's normal banking. So you can decide to use any method of your choice to deposit money into your OneXBet account. So if you're using Verve, you click on it, input the amount.